All right, we're going to do one more of this type of example. Okay, so again, we're just going to go through, find the y-intercept, axis of symmetry, domain, and range. So again, I'm going to start with the vertex. So again, vertex H is the opposite of B over 2 times A. So the number in front of our squared is A. B is with our x, so we don't actually have a B this time. So B is going to have to be 0. And then our C is the constant. So that means that we are taking 0 divided by 2 times 1, which is just going to give us 0. And then to find k, we're substituting 0 in for the x and then simplifying. So we're doing f of 0. So and then 0 squared plus 2 is going to simplify to be 2. So that means that our vertex is 0, 2. So now that we know the vertex, we can also find the axis of symmetry. So again, that is going to be x equals 0, because that's our h value. We can also list our y-intercept. So y-intercept, again, our x is 0. And if we substitute 0 in for the x and simplify, we would have 2 left. And the next thing that we need is the domain. So again, domain is just going to be all real numbers. And then our range depends on our a. So a is positive. So that means our graph is going to open up like this. Again, that vertex is at the bottom, so I'm going to need all my y values bigger than or equal to whatever our k is. So k is 2. So in interval notation, we are going from 2 all the way up to positive infinity. And to graph, we want to make our t-chart. So again, vertex is in the middle, so 0, 2. And I don't have a fraction in front, so I can pick whatever numbers I want. So I'm just going to choose 1 and negative 1. So if I substitute 1 in, so 1 squared plus 2, so that would just be 1 plus 2, which is 1 plus 2, which is 3. And then I will get the same answer if I use negative 1. And then we are just graphing those 3 points. And if you need more points, or if the problem is asking for more points, then you would just make your t-chart bigger. All right, so our first point, we're going to go right 1, up 3, and then up 2, left 1, up 3. And we always make a U shape. And that is the end of our problem.